Welcome to our video guide on configuring affiliate module for your website. After installing the affiliate module, head to Modules and Extensions in your admin area. Locate the affiliate module and click Edit to access its settings. In the Settings section, enable the module. Set the email for the affiliate program. Set the value of the percent rate, payment threshold for paying affiliates, and cookie lifetime. Specify the billing time, which should be at least 30 days if orders are refunded. Choose the order status for orders to be billed. Enable payment types for affiliates check, PayPal, and bank. Activate individual affiliate percentages and multi-level affiliate provisions. Configure the number of tier levels and percent rates for tier levels. Click the update to save your configuration and maximize your affiliate program's potential. Now that you have successfully configured the affiliate module, make the most of this tool to enhance partnerships, drive sales, and elevate your online business to new heights.